Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you could click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Well guys, it's Monday. I was supposed to be leaving here Saturday. Good 2, almost 3-day drive. If I don't get out of here early today and into Cincinnati at a decent hour tomorrow, I'm not going to get this truck turned in Tuesday on time. I don't know what that'll cost me. I talked to my cousin yesterday. She told me, since I was so far behind, I need to quit going through things, pack everything and deal with it up there. I got my box plan going where I'm not taking odd sized boxes. However, when I open up odd boxes, I'm going through things, trying to discard things. She says too late for that. So now, this morning, I didn't quite understand it, but I understand it now. I got to pack everything in these boxes and get out of here. So that's the plan for this morning. It's now 6:26 and this is what I got. I did not make it back over here last night. So this is where I'm at. I got all this little petty stuff here. If something's not in a box or a box is empty, I'm just going to discard the little boxes. And I got half of this back here. I hope this is half the room and not all of the room. So let me start boxing this stuff up and throwing away things that I'm not going to take. Boxes that are empty, and get this truck loaded and get out of here. Phil and his buddy came by yesterday, took some metal cabinet racks that I had, kind of like those, but they were metal. But I got to do it to it now, man. I really do. After 2 hours, here's where I'm at. All this right here is trash. Got to get that down to the dumpster. It sounded like the trash man came a few minutes ago. I knocked a dent out of this. This isn't as bad as it looks, but that's trash. I need to get that out of here. Got both of those cabinets pretty much empty. I'm going to trash everything in that cabinet. And then I just got to sort through boxing this stuff up. This is just really loose stuff that I'm not even taking. Then I'm going to box this stuff up. And I'll be ready to start finalizing my loading. This is a little bit scattered, but it's really not as bad as it looks. It's 8:45. I should be out of here by 1. May 31st, Albuquerque, New Mexico. Half of this stuff is melted away. A hailstorm was crazy. This video is documenting that I am vacating from the apartment at 1111 Cardenas Street, Southeast, apartment 205, Albuquerque, New Mexico, 87108. Come down to the apartment here to the left. It is 205. We have pretty much just taken all of our personal belongings and swept it clean. No personal property has been left in it. Everything is in normal working order. Need to throw that in the trash. Make sure. Oh, ice pack. I need to take that with me. Ooh. water. Take that with me. So the refrigerator needs to be wiped out. Nothing down there. Something dripped down in there. Oh man, the list is growing. Had some help, in case you guys are wondering. Whoa! The whole drawer there. I need it. Alright, I got a bag here I can put all that in. Oh, I got a tool there. And some padding material. Alright, I'm clean that drawer out. I think this is just 2 pieces of paper here. Oh, nope, that must be paint from when they painted. I haven't painted. I don't know what that could be. It's coming off with my fingernails, so that's good. Now it's just dirt. They shouldn't have to re-vinyl this floor. This floor is in pretty good shape. I did not clean out the fireplace. Don't know how much they'll charge me to do that. I left a hole there. I ran a cord through. This patio's pretty clean. I'm gonna close this up and lock it. Here's the pin there. And the blinds are in good shape. Take this straw here. Coming to the bathroom. All that's clean. Left a roll of toilet paper there. Guess I'll take those are my rolls of toilet paper. Do-do-do. Yeah, countertops need to be clean. They probably had to clean them anyway. There's room in here. Other side of that hole I left, I was gonna put some switch plates over those, but my brother-in-law packed them away before I could get to them. So all these closets are cleaned out. So I'm gonna go ahead and lock this door here. It's already locked. Pull this blind. And clean out that kitchen. And I'll be all done. Here's this other room here. Closets are cleaned out. So, other than those couple of little holes and the fireplace being dirty, no damage. Let me pack this up and get out of here. In the midst of my fun-loving day, I forgot that I had a screw hanging on the edge of this tire. So, I get to pull it out now, because I'm not going to be worrying about that for 1,500 miles in 2-3 days. Thank God for Henrietta. Makes this a lot quicker. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.